Hey YouTube, I have the Sencut Watauga. Um, this one I think as well is just continued, but it's an old favorite. This is the second one I've had. The first one I had to use this like crazy to see, and it's in I think it's in 92. So this thing got all jacked on my first one, and then I got another one and I just really haven't used it since. It had like crazy button stick, but it worked itself out as I fidgeted with it and got it going. And then I had other warm clips. I can't carry this thing in California, especially being a button lock and that. I mean, it's nuts. But I still buy knives I like. And this is a great old throwback. G10 perfect. G10 texture. Clip is a little better than CVV's, not much, but the way this is here, you don't really feel it all that much, and then you could just get down on some slicing with that finger choil flipper. The fuller, it's sharp, it's okay. You could flick, you can grab it, but you're basically grabbing the blade and that fuller at the same time. So, yeah. Fun fidget knife, so. If you don't have that button stick. If you have button lock stick, man, I mean, a little bit, like, that's fine. I'm cool with that. I'm fidgeting with it, everything. But if it's like, you know, like where you're like, gag, you know, that's no fun. You don't want that. And then you try to do all the fixing to it you can. It's just sometimes certain units aren't made. And I don't think I ever tested this, but these old plunge locks, I mean, it was one of the reasons why I was buying them, is because they were solid, and I started doing the spine whacking, and then started freaking people out, and became plunge. To me, became slice only, in my opinion. But yeah, this is an old classic, an old Chinese classic, but it's like, man, what a wicked. And now they're making crazy. And it's like T8's all around, lefty friendly. It's crazy. So, Sencut Watauga. Let's see. I don't think I've ever been taking this thing to the straw, but I really don't care. I'm not gonna use it anymore. It's in brand new. I just might even throw it up on Blade Binge or something if somebody wants to buy it for a couple bucks. Maybe $30 or something, $25. I don't know. It's definitely worth it. It's never been used. This one. I've opened it, I think. Yeah. I don't see any teeth mark or any tool. Unless I was very careful. Okay. Try to be, but yeah. Pillar construction. Dead centered. Plunge lock systems here. Yeah. Nothing like an old good throwback. But that'll do it for the Sencut Watauga. This is Spider G. please again like, sub, comment, share. Be safe, continue to have fun. I'll see you on the very next one. All right.